Hey guys, and welcome to another lecture. In this video we'll talk very briefly about the different ways of how you can make money with your photos and why licensing online is, in my opinion, the best way to do it. There are two basic categories of making money with your photos. Somebody else tells you what to shoot and you shoot what you want to shoot. So the first category would involve wedding photographers, corporate photography, portrait shootings, product photos for companies, so on and so forth. Here you have a boss who tells you what to do. You can be shooting toddlers, pets, sports photography, conferences, you name it. What these have in common is there is a boss or a client who tells you what to do and usually knows best how to do it. For me, I couldn't be bothered. And then we have the other category, which includes you shooting what you want to shoot. So if you like macro, you're shooting macro. If you like landscapes, you're shooting landscapes. How can you turn these photos into cash? Well, you can sell fine art prints. You can create products with your photos on them and sell those. You can sell digital files over your own website. You can submit to magazines. For me, these all are two high maintenance ways of making money with my photos. And that's why I'm licensing my photos with online agencies, which means I upload and then I wait for the cash to come. I don't advocate against other ways of making money with your photos. It's just that for me, when it comes to the effort-profit trade-off, online licensing wins big time. Okay, here's the activity for you. Open the Q&A section next to the video and share with me and other students what other ways have you tried to make money with your photos and what was your experience doing so? Did you shoot weddings, sport photography? Did you sell fine prints of your photos? How did that work out for you and what was your experience? I'm looking forward to read it. See you in the next video.